Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for the Logitech PowerPlay. It's a wireless charging system for a Logitech compatible mouse. You have two options, the G903 and the G703. They're wireless gaming mouses that come with a little, I'll call it a power pog, but it's called a Powercore module that you can use so it can transmit power from this pad itself, and you don't have to plug it in and recharge the battery. So endless gaming basically is what that gets. This is really cool. Here is how it comes packaged to you. I won't talk all day, but I just love Logitech's branding and their marketing and the way they just design everything. Just really great, clean, good color scheme, that sort of thing. Really wonderful product, great retail packaging. Again, PowerPlay, it's this wireless charging system. You can see it from the top down view too, each side. So now we'll just go ahead and open it up. So, and there's also, while I'm unboxing it, I can see there's two different systems or two different surfaces you can choose from within here too, which is really cool to put on the base. So, oh yeah, this looks awesome. So cool. So, another cool USB cord, just like the mouse. We have what I keep calling the power pogs right here. Anything else in here we need to know about? That looks like it. If this might just be warranty information. We'll go ahead and look really quick. Troubleshooting guide, safety information. So we will put that right back in its place and just look right at the instructions. So basically this is just showing us turn off your mouse, plug the pad in the computer, take this pog and place it in, turn your mouse back on. So should be pretty straightforward. We'll go ahead and work on doing that right now and see if we can get it all set up. So also wanted to show you that we have two different options for this. Oh, that's really cool. So we have the hard plastic one right here with the cool blue on the back. Then we have the soft grip right here, and you can just replace them on very easily. As you can see, it's got like a magnetic grip to it, and it can just go right in place. So we'll work on getting this plugged in, and we'll work on getting a mouse connected. So seems really straightforward. This just goes like this. They line up. You snap it into place. This was the cap. We'll just set that off to the side. Oh, I did that wrong too. I left the mouse on, so we'll go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on. Next, plug this in. Okay, so that was really easy, as you just saw. Literally turn this off, pop this out, put the new one in, turn it back on, set it down. You are good to go. It is working 100% like it should. It is so cool, and I know it's working. I thought maybe the mouse would light up. It does not, that I am aware of. But I can see right here on my mouse pad. You guys see that blinking light, or not blinking, but you see that little white light right there. So watch, the mouse is currently on the pad, and then if I take it off, it should go away. And the light's no longer on. Now watch it light up and put the mouse right back down. And the light comes right back on. So that is it. This is so cool. Never have to worry about charging it again. So cool. Great idea from Logitech just to be able to have that. What an awesome product. The link to this will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. I also unboxed this mouse in an earlier video. Pretty sweet, great packaged deal right here. Really cool. If you're getting one, I don't know how you couldn't get the other one. Love that this has a couple different choices too. If you don't like the fabric for the mouse pad, you can put the harder plastic on. So they've really done a great job. Great products. Really happy with them. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave me any questions you may have. Any comments, but yeah, really cool. Love the stuff that lights up. Just awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button, hit the sub button, leave me some comments, and I will see you all in my next video.